I'm Eliza May A. Damian. We were going to present our proposal for data structure, which is clothing inventory management system for small businesses. So the introduction, CDs. So introduction, managing inventory effectively is a critical challenge for small clothing businesses without robust system. Issues such as stockouts, overstocking, and disorganized inventories arise, reducing efficient and customer satisfaction. This project aims to create a system that organizes inventories using selection sort. The algorithm will efficiently sort product-based various attributes such as delivery dates or stock levels, ensuring timely updates, low stock notifications, and comprehensive reporting. Ito ay isang mahalagang hamon para sa maliit na negosyo ng isang damit. Kung walang maayos na sistema, maaaring magdulot ng mga problema tulad ng pagkakaroon ng kakulangan sa stock, sobrang dami ng stock, at magulong inventaryo na nagiging sanhi ng hindi epektibong operasyon at pagbaba ng kasiyahan ng mga customer. Ang proyekto na ito ay naglalayong gumawa ng sistema na maayos ng inventory gamit ang selection sort. Una, magkaroon ng tamang pag-aayos ng inventory. Pinili ng mga algorithm ang pinakaangkop na produkto o item ng bawat takdang upang maging organisado ang inventory. Pangalawa, magbigay ng abiso para sa mababang stock. Sa pamamagitan ng pagkaroon ng maayos na sistema, agad na malalaman kung alin yung mga produkto ang malapit ng maubos at mapapalahan na ng may-ari ng negosyo. Mabilis na pagpapadala. Dahil maayos ang pagkaayos ng inventaryo, mas mabilis at compact ang pag-update ng stock, ang proseso ng pagpapadala ng mga order. Pagbigay ng mga kompletong ulat. Ang mga ulat tungkol sa inventory ay magiging mas tumpak at makakatulong sa paggawa ng tamang desisyon para sa pagbili o pagpapadala ng mga produkto. Statement of the problem. Small clothing businesses struggle with inefficiencies in managing their inventory, which impacts profitability, and customer manual or outdated methods often fail to provide accurate, real-time data, leading to overstocking, stockout, and difficulty tracking various categories such as size, color, and style. This lack of an organized and efficient system also prevents the businesses from identifying sales trends, optimizing losses due to mismanagement. These challenges create operational delays, hinder decision making, and reduce overall business performance. Sa maliit na negosyo sa damitan ay nahihirapan sa mga hindi epektibong pamamaraan sa pamamahala ng kanilang inventory. Sa nagiging sanhi ng pagbaba ng kakayahang kumita at kasiyahan ng customer, karaniwan ang paggamit ng mano-mano o lipas na mga paraan na hindi nagbibigay ng tumpak at real data na nagiging sanhi ng mga problema tulad ng sobrang stock, kakulangan sa stock, at nahihirapan sa pagsubaybay ng iba't ibang kategory ng produkto tulad ng size, kulay, or istilyo. Dahil sa kakulangan ng isang maayos at mahusay na sistema, nahihirapan ang negosyo na makita ang mga trend ng benta at hindi rin nila na-optimize ang mga pagkakalugi dulot ng maling pamamahala ng inventory. Ang mga hamong ito ay nagdudulot ng mga pagkaantala sa operasyon. Sa ganitong mga sitwasyon, kinakailangan ng isang mas maayos na solusyon upang mapabuti ang pamamahala ng inventory. Mapababa ang mga problema sa stock at matutulungan ang negosyo sa pagpapalago ng kanilang operasyon at solution. We propose using the selection sort algorithm for organizing clothing inventory. Items will be sorted based on attributes such as stock levels, product category, or priority for restocking, while selection sort has a time complexity on making it less efficient for large data sets. It is suitable for small scale businesses with limited inventory. It is simple to implement, making it an appropriate choice for businesses that prioritize ease of use and understand the trade-off between performance and complexity. Ang selection sort algorithm para sa pag-organisa ng inventory ng damit. Ang mga item ay considered na iisahin batay sa mga katangian tulad ng antas ng stock, category ng produkto, or priority para sa restocking. Bagamat mayroon time complexity na ang selection sort na nangangahulugang mas mabagal ito kapag malaki ang bilang ng mga item. Ito ay angkop para sa mga maliliit na negosyo na may limitadong inventory. Madali itong i-implement, kaya ito ay isang magandang opsyon para sa mga negosyo na binibigay ng halaga ang pagiging simple at kakayang maintindihan ang trade-off sa pagitan ng performance at complex.
How it works. When a new clothing item or batch of items is added to the inventory, it's initially placed at the end of the list. Okay, kapag may bagong damit or bagong items ka sa inventory mo, it means ito ay mapupunta or mailalagay sa pinakahuling listahan. Halimbawa, may bagong restock ka na damit. So it means ito ay mapupunta agad or mailalagay sa pinakahuling listahan. Explanation. Initially, all clothing items are unsorted. So, kumbaga pag unsorted, parang halo-halo pa. In each iteration, the algorithm. Number 1, find the item with the earliest restock date in the unsorted portion of the list. So, kumbaga yung una, isahanapin mo yung damit or yung stock na may pinakamaaga or maagang petsa ng muling pag-stock sa hindi pa nakaayos na bahagi ng listahan or sa unsorted pa. Number 2, swaps it with the first item in the unsorted portion. So, pangalawa daw is palitan ito ng unang damit or gamit sa hindi pa nakaayos na bahagi. And last, mark that position. So, pangatlo, markahan ang mga position na iyon bilang ayos na or na-sorted na. Illustration. The list is sorted using selection sort, which repeatedly finds the item with the earliest restock date and moves it to its correct position in the sorted portion of the list. Okay, meaning, ang listahan ay inaayos gamit ang selection sort, kung saan paulit-ulit na hinahanap ang damit or ang bagay na may pinakamaagang petsa ng muling pag-restock at ito ay inililipat sa kanyang tamang posisyon or lalagyan.
Eliza assumes that clothing inventory system will be seamlessly integrated into current operation of small business. The selection sort algorithm will be used to organize inventory items based on parameters like restock dates, product names, or category. This system will help manual sorting efforts and minimize errors in inventory records. Eliza believes that using selection sort will improve the effectively of inventory management without need ex- extensive changes to existing process, since small business typically deal deal with manageable inventory sizes, and algorithm will provide simple effective solution. Axel assumes that the clothing store will primarily deal with smaller dates inventory of few hundred times at at any given time, which makes selection sort a reasonable choice despite its less efficient time complexity of larger data assets. She believes that small business where inventory items are limited, selection sort will work well for sorting the list of items, such as by restock date or product category in straightforward and maintainable manner. This assumption crucial because it justifies the use of selection sort context where data size is overwhelming and ensures ease of understanding the store staff. I assumes that business owners and staff using clothing inventory system will have basic familiarity with sorting concepts. I believe that visual diagrams demonstrating how selection sorts works, shots as highlighting smallest item swapping with the first unsorted item, will make the process more comprehensible to users by creating clear and simple illustration. Hope hopes to ensure that even non-technical users can easily grasp how inventory is being sorted and how system helps organizing products. This is important for building trust in the system, ensuring all users understand how the sorting mechanism works, its impact on inventory management.